I'm making some coleslaw for myself, and the way that I do mine, I go ahead and shred up my green cabbage, my red cabbage, and my carrots and put them in a bowl, and then I just make enough dressing for what I'm going to eat that particular day. So all of this will not get dressed. What I'll do is I'll squeeze some lemon on this and maybe some salt and pepper, cover it, and then put it in the refrigerator, because tomorrow if I want to eat cabbage, I might not want to eat coleslaw. You get it? So, but I already got it shredded up because I can easily saute this and have this as a wonderful saute. So in this bowl, I've got a little mayonnaise, and I just eyeballed everything. I got a little mayonnaise. I got a couple of drops of apple cider vinegar. I've got salt. I've got, I'm sorry. Let me start over. I've got a little mayonnaise. I got apple cider vinegar. I've got celery salt and celery seed. I don't have regular salt in here. I just got celery salt in here because celery salt is basically salty salt. And what I want to encourage y'all to do, is so good. I got a little sugar in there too. Oh man, it's so good right now. Oh man, it's so good. As you're doing stuff like this, if you're not sure or have never made something before, do it in a separate container. Taste it, and then taste it with that thing on it that you're making it for, and make sure it's good before you put it all over everything, okay? Okay, just making me a little coleslaw today. Man, that's off the chain right there. Whatever off the chain means. I always say it. That's some good stuff right there. Another good way to get vegetables into those kiddos, man. Man, that's good. That's good just by itself, baby. Put it on a sandwich, put it on a burger. Man. Oh, man, that's good. So today, I baked a potato, and I had a few pieces of bacon left. So I got a baked potato, and I had about that much cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar cheese left that I sprinkled in the baked potato. And I got one piece of the bacon, one slice of bacon inside the potato. But, I also wanted some coleslaw. Because every day, I try to figure out how to get some vegetables in me. So I made me some coleslaw, and coleslaw is basically red cabbage, green cabbage, carrots, and then I made a dressing for it with mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, celery seed, celery salt, a little sugar, a little salt and pepper. And I tasted it, and it tastes so good, y'all. I don't really like a whole bunch of dressing on mine. That's really good. Got caught in my throat. So I think what I'm gonna do to make sure I get some vegetables in me is I'm gonna put some of this coleslaw inside this potato. I know it's weird. I know it's weird, y'all. And we're gonna eat this potato like this. So y'all come eat with me today. And I got me 2 more pieces of bacon on the side, just in case I feel like I need some more bacon to go in there. Yeah, that works. It works because I don't have a whole bunch of mayonnaise in my coleslaw, because I don't like a whole bunch of mayonnaise-y type stuff. And I got that apple cider vinegar in there and that sugar that kind of balances that flavor. That celery seed and celery salt is off the chain. So now, as I'm eating, during the course of the day, I feel like I'm getting everything I need. I need the potassium coming from this baked potato. I need the fruit and vegetable. I got some kiwi right here for my dessert. But I need the vegetables just because I need vegetables every day in my body. Now the bacon is a little bad, but I had 4 little pieces left, so I went ahead and got them out of the way. Okay, I'm done with bacon for a while now. but that's a little protein. And it's good. This is good. Y'all ever had coleslaw beside a baked potato? It's pretty doggone good, y'all. It's my first time doing this. And if you don't want to do that, just put some bacon inside your coleslaw. That's good too. Oh man, that's good. It's just another way. Man, we gotta get some vegetables in these kids. I'm seeing these 5, 6-year-old kids weighing over 100 pounds. Come on, y'all. We gotta do better. We gotta get some vegetables in these kids. We didn't walk around every day eating potato chips and cookies and stuff. Nobody had no money for that. We were on welfare. And mamas cooked back then. I'm gonna put this little piece of bacon. It's good. Mamas cooked back then, y'all. And so you had greens and cornbread, beans and cornbread, you know. And then you had Sunday dinner with the roast, and you had some days you had fried chicken and fish and spaghetti on Friday. That was every Friday now. Every Friday you had fish and spaghetti in Chicago. Everybody in the projects was fried fish and cooking spaghetti, playing spades, whist, and gambling. We didn't have time for store-bought snacks and stuff like that. That was never a thing when I was growing up. And we really need to go back to that. But I get it, everybody tired, everybody stressed, everybody traumatized out. I get it. But we gotta figure out a way to make it work, y'all. I'm not gonna hold y'all. This is really good. I'm gonna finish eating this. I hope y'all enjoyed eating with me today. I eat a lot of food. I do. But I only eat one time a day. After I finish this, I'm gonna eat my kiwi. That's it for the day. That's it for the day. That's it for the day. And I can still lose weight this way. Personally, I'm not really a big breakfast person. I'll eat breakfast for dinner, but I don't have to get up and eat breakfast. So I really wanted to do this video to kind of show y'all what I eat in a day. And this is what I eat in a day. One of the things, I eat a lot of vegetables, some meat. That was so good. God, okay, I'm gonna get off here for real because I'm rambling. I just want y'all to eat with me for a minute. Y'all go out and make it a great day. Have a great weekend. Be safe. And I will see y'all on the next video. Bye now.